Computer networking, day one. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Wisdom, your trainer for this entire series. In today's video, we'll be dealing with the introduction to computer networking. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to today's class. So, who are our target audience? Undergraduate students and graduate students. So whether you are still in school or maybe you are done with your school, networking is for you. Those choosing networking as a career and others because networking is everywhere and networking is for everybody. Those preparing for networking interviews. Prerequisites to CCNA International Certification course. We'll be using both live equipment and simulators like Cisco Packet Tracers for this course. So coming to the scope of this training, trust me guys, network is everywhere. Network supports the way we learn, network supports the way we communicate, network supports the way we work. I'm going to share more light on that. I'm the instructor of this course, and I'm teaching this course from one part of the world, and the learners are in different parts of the world. Still, teaching and learning is happening seamlessly. That is the power of networking. Network supports the way we communicate. Think of the old days when you want to send a message to someone, you have to start writing letter, looking for a post office. Your message will take 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, depending on the post office before your message reaches to the destination. Unlike today, that networking has made everything so easy for everybody. You can just pick up your phone and text or make a call, send an email. You can even send files like videos, like audios seamlessly without any obstruction, as long as you have an Ethernet access. Network supports also the way we work. Millions of people all over the world right now work from home. You don't need to start going to the office for you to be able to earn a living. All you need is just your smartphone, your tablet, or your computer. You can do all your work research from home and send your message to your boss, and you get a feedback within split seconds or minutes. So let's talk about the outcome of today's lecture. So at the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand what is a computer network, identify end devices and intermediary devices. Computer network definition. A computer network is a set of nodes connected by a communication link. Okay, so I'm going to share more light on what nodes are and what communication links are. So a node in a network is any devices participating in that particular network. So I can have devices like a computer. So computer is an example of a node. I can have a router. I can have a switch. I can have a printer. I can have a server, etc. So any device participating in a network is referred to as node. Okay? Now, the communication link here can be either wireless. Communication link can be either wireless or wired. So communication link can either be wireless or wired. Now, if two computers want to communicate together, if I have two computers here and they want to communicate together, they must communicate through a particular communication link, say the wired communication. So for this computer to send data to this particular computer, they have to pass through the communication link, which is the wired link. So another example of communication link is using a cell phone to demonstrate. So let me assume we have two cell phones here, and they want to communicate to each other. They are going to be using a wireless link for their means of communication. Now this is an example of a computer network topology. Now we have different nodes in this topology. We have the printer, we have this PC, we have this laptop, we have the switch, we have the router, we have the internet cloud. Now inside the internet cloud are intermediary devices, while the end devices are the computer, the printer, the server, the phone, the tablet. Why do we call these guys the end devices? End devices are where communication starts and where communication ends, destination. So source and destination devices are end devices. Now the devices in between the source and destination devices are intermediary devices. So if this PC want to check maybe www.nikitistechhub.com, is going to send a message through these intermediary devices to the end device, which is this server. So this server here is an end device. We can also have a device here, which is the modem. So we can also have a wireless communication between the end devices and through the intermediary devices. So this smartphone can communicate with any of these devices through the cell tower wirelessly to the devices. So a computer network is mainly used for resource sharing. So this topology here is designed in such a way that you can share resource from one end nodes to another end nodes. So you can call them end nodes or end devices. Another example is this. If I have different offices, I don't have to start buying printer for each of these computers in different offices. With the help of network, we can just have one printer and share it to all these computers. So if any of these computer or devices want to communicate with the printer, they can communicate to the printer through the wired communication link or through the wireless communication link. So if I want to print anything from my computer, I don't have to have my own personal printer. I can just send a message to this printer and I'll have my document printed. So computer network is mainly used for resource sharing. Class activity time. Find out the end nodes, that is end devices, and the intermediary nodes from the network diagram and drop your answer on the comment section below. Please pause the video for a while and carry out this task. Thank you. That is all we have for today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that. Like, share, and comment if you learn anything. And please don't forget to do your class activity. Very important. So you can support by subscribing to the channel and also following us on our Facebook handle. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.